Let's focus on a common area that most people experience tension or discomfort in, the upper back. We'll show you simple, effective techniques to loosen tense muscles so you can optimize your pain management, recovery, and self-care. For best results, start by warming up your muscles with a few minutes of stretching or cardio to get your blood flowing and prepare your body for massage. The KOAPRO Massage Tools can be used over form-fitting clothing or directly on bare skin with oil. Choose your preferred tool and begin with up and down and side-to-side motions all over your upper back. Feel free to switch hands, angles, and directions to find what feels best for you. If you come across a sensitive area, ease up on the pressure and focus on the surrounding areas. This allows your tissue to decompress as you gradually release tension from the trigger points. With these self-use tools, you have full control over the pressure, areas, and duration of your massage. Always listen to your body and do what feels best for you. Breathe deeply and focus on releasing tension as you massage. Use the KOAPRO end thumbs to gently press all around the target area and gradually apply increasing sustained pressure for a deep tissue massage to release tense adhesions. You can also try moving your arms and shoulders to find the best ways to release tension and rejuvenate the deeper layers of myofascial tissues. For best results, we recommend massaging the upper back for about 1 to 3 minutes a few times a week. Consistency is key to improving your range of motion, muscle performance, and overall well-being. We hope you enjoy using the KOAPRO Massage Tools to optimize your pain management and take your wellness to the next level. Be sure to watch our other KOAPRO tutorials for more tips and techniques for every area of your body.